Hey, I got a package today for my little birdies. We're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Here, give me. Come on, come on, come on. Hurry up. Oh, you need to stop playing with somebody. Oh, look what we have here. Uh, oh, saxophone, right? And a little bell. There's a bell. We got some balls. Balls are right here. Let us see. And then we got some ring toys, I think. Another ball. Look at this. My babies are gonna be so happy with this ball. And oh my goodness, a shopping cart. Whoa, we gotta take it out of the plastic and put it all together. Look at this, a skateboard. Oh my God, a skateboard. Another ball. I don't know what this is. It's like a box or something. Yeah, I don't know. They could put like change in there or something. Another ball. Do you guys hear my babies? Listen to them in the background. Is that it? Yes, and this. This is my daughter's looking at me like she's about to kill me. And this is the cage cover. I'm gonna put everything together and then I'm gonna showcase it. Ciao, Bella.